Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Revolut's budgeting and analytics features. Let's get straight into the video. The first step, of course, is to set up your budget. So what you want to do is to open the Revolut app and go to the analytics tab, and then tap on budgets, and you can set up your budgets by setting a budget amount. You could also choose a budget period that could be monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly, or whatever, and then selecting the categories to track. That could be food, transportation, or whatever category is going to be. And then the step two, of course, is to track your spending. So Revolut will automatically track your spending and categorize transactions accordingly, and you can view your spendings by category, merchants, or by date. And then you can also receive notifications when you go over budget. So Revolut is going to help you to keep track of all of that and to let you know when you're going beyond the budget. So the step three, you could use analytics tool. So if you want to do that, you could just go to the analytics tab to view detailed spending insights, and you can use Revolut's analytic tool to view spending trends, identify areas for cost reduction, and you could also use it to set financial goals. Now the fourth step is to set up budget alerts. So you could set up custom budget alerts to notify you when you go over the budget, or when you make large transactions, as well as when you receive payments. So that's going to help you with the alerts. Now the fifth step, of course, is to use Revolut saving features. So you can set up a savings goals and automatically transfer funds to your savings accounts. So you can use Revolut saving features to earn interest on your savings. You can use it to set up recurring transfers, as well as to track your savings progress. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.